Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
In 2023, the best TracFone replacements include carriers like Mint Mobile, Cricket Wireless, and Tello. Mint Mobile stands out for its affordable plans and bulk pricing, with options that cater to various data needs. Cricket Wireless offers a wider coverage and unlimited plans, making it a solid choice for heavy users. Tello allows for fully customizable plans, perfect for those who want to tailor their phone usage and costs closely. Each of these alternatives offers a combination of value, flexibility, and coverage, making them excellent choices for anyone looking to switch from TracFone.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.